Greetings, gun enthusiasts, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Today we have a test of one of the buffalo bore loads in 38 Special Plus P. This is the all-copper hollowpoint, item 20F. It's the 110 grain Barnes TAC XP with rated for a muzzle velocity of 1125 feet per second, also known as Buffalo Barnes ammunition. This should be an interesting test because last winter, yeah, I know it's still winter up here, but earlier in this winter, we tested this round in a meat target and water jug configuration and found that it had questionable penetration even though the expansion was amazing. And I may have, when I did the velocity testing, the rounds may have been a little bit chilly, a little bit cool. So I've kept a couple of rounds in my pocket for today's test. And I'm going to try to get some legitimate penetration and expansion data on these today. As usual, the test gun will be the Ruger LCR with its 1.9-inch barrel. Just going to load one round at a time and keep the other one warming up in my pocket because it is about 20 degrees this afternoon. I just discovered that my earplugs may not have been all the way seated for that test. Because those are some loud bullets. But we did not capture that one. I got it pretty well centered in the block over here at this end. But you can see it definitely escaped out the side over there. Dumping Denim. Classic signature of expansion back here. It's possible that the bullet landed close by because that's at least a 12-inch penetration. No, I do not see it at the moment. All right, fortunately, I've got a backup round ready to go, and we'll try again. A little bit lower in the block this time, a little bit further to the left, and try not to lose it this time. All right, that one we did a little better with. Okay, yes, it's definitely behind the other track. Definitely shows expansion. Let me see if I can get the remelted blocks are not as clear, but you can definitely see. I can't see what my camera can see, so I get behind it. Yeah, you can definitely see the round about where the first one exited. Definitely expanded, looking really nice. Definitely a good 12 inches of penetration. In fact, let's get that up on the table and measure it up. Tuck this away right here. All right. See that back there. Line this up with the start of the block. And the bullet is just ahead of the 12-inch mark right there. Not sure how well that shows up on camera. Let me just get it right down here and try to zoom in such that you can see what I'm talking about. Is that, yeah, it's apparent. In fact, it's a good 12.5 inches. Very nice. Well, that, given the fact that the first round also appears to have expanded, and appears to have escaped the block at very nearly the same spot, I would suggest that that definitively shows that the Buffalo Barnes 38 Special Plus P lead-free hollow point, item 20F, will definitely penetrate 12 inches and definitely expand in a 4-layer denim and gel block test. Thanks, folks. Geographies are out.